Hello guys, this is my real voice, so please don't eat fast because I'm not literally a doppelganger or anything. So let's start it, but we need to wait. Dot dot dot. I'm literally waiting. Finally. What did I get? Innocent? Oh man. Guess who's the imposter or murderer? Because I'm new in here. This is not my real account, guys, because I'm not in my other account that is my sister. She haven't played Roblox a week, so I'm using his account. Oh my god, why is all in front are imposter? I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Let me collect some coins. Wait, what? What was that? Oh my god, what is that? Sorry guys, I can't show my camera right now because I'm young. But I'm not gonna reveal my age though. Oh yay, I'm victory. Bro become bald. So I'm gonna pause the video so you can guys wait or look at this video or set this video or 2 times speed or blah blah blah. I'm gonna. Is it done? You can also skip this also too. So we're gonna do the so please please please. Oh man, I don't want to be the innocent or anything. It's been a long time. Open. Open. Tap tap. Meow 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 meow. Let me accept some sounds. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Open. Bro. Bro, what did I even do? I guess I'm gonna post the below. Bye bye. I'll see you in part 2. Bye.